Hello everyone, I am Prabjot Kaur and today we will start addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, first of all, like fractions, how we add and subtract the like fractions. Okay, so what we do, we add or subtract the numerators and the denominator remains same. Okay, we add or subtract the numerators and the denominators remain same if the fractions are like. Suppose we have to add 2 by 7 and 3 by 7. Both these fractions are like fractions because the denominators are same. Okay, so these fractions are like fractions. So what we do, we add the numerators only. Okay, we add the numerators only and the denominator remains same. So denominator will be 7. So this will become 5 upon 7. And if we have to subtract the like fractions 5 by 8 and 2 by 8, then also we subtract the numerators only and the denominator remains same. Okay, so this will be 3 upon 8. So this way we add or subtract the like fractions. And if we have unlike fractions, then what we do, let's see. If we have unlike fractions, then what we do, we convert the fractions into equivalent fractions with same denominator. Okay, we convert the fractions into equivalent fractions with same denominator and then we add or subtract. I explain you with an example. Suppose we have to add 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. These are unlike fractions. So first of all, we will convert it into like fractions. So for that, we take the LCM of 2 and 4. And LCM of 2 and 4 is, LCM is 4 because 4 is a multiple of 2. So LCM will be 4. Now we convert this 1 by 2, the denominator of 1 by 2 as 4. So 1 by 2, it will be 2 by 4. Okay, and 1 by 4, we will multiply the numerator and denominator by 1. So after that we will add. So this will become 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is 2 plus 1 by 4, which is 3 by 4. Okay, or you can do one more thing. Method 2 is, we are having 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. And when we divide 4 by 2, if we divide 4 by 2, the quotient will be 2. And then we multiply the quotient by the numerator and 2 ones are 2. Okay, after that we will divide this LCM by the denominator of second fraction and 4 divided by 4 is 1 and 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So this will become 3 by 4. Okay, and if we have to subtract, then what we do? Suppose we have to subtract 1 by 3 from 7 upon 12. As these are unlike fractions, so first of all we have to we have to make the denominators of both these fractions same. Okay, so what we do, we will take the LCM of 12 and 3, and LCM of 12 and 3 is 12. Okay, because 12 is a multiple of 3, so LCM will be 12. Let's see, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, so it will be 3 multiplied by 4, which is 12. Okay, so LCM is 12. Now we divide this denominator by this LCM by the denominator of this fraction, so it will be 1. The quotient will be 1. Now we multiply the quotient by the numerator and 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. After that, divide 12 by 3, and when we divide 12 by 3, the quotient will be 4 and 4 ones are 4. Okay, we multiply the quotient by the numerator of our fraction, so it will be 4 and 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 upon 12 and 3 ones are 3, 3 4s are 12, so your answer will be 1 upon 4. So this way we subtract the unlike fractions. Okay, now next is mixed numbers. How we add or subtract mixed numbers. Let's see. If we have mixed fractions, then what we do, we convert them into improper fractions. Okay, we will convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions and then add or subtract the fractions. Okay, the fraction can be like or unlike. The improper fraction can be like or unlike. So after converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction, we add or subtract. I explain you with an example. Suppose we have to add 2 2 by 3 plus 1 1 upon 6. So first of all we will convert these mixed fraction into improper fractions. So it will be 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 2 is 8. So it will be 8 upon 3 and 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 6. What we do, we multiply the denominator of this fraction by this whole part and in the product we add the numerator. Okay, so 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 2 is 8. In the same way we will multiply the denominator of this fraction by this whole part, 6 1s are 6, and in the product we will add the numerator. 6 plus 1 is 7, so it will be 7 upon 6. Now both these fractions are unlike fractions, so we will convert it into like fractions, okay, by taking the LCM, and LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Because 6 is a multiple of 3, so LCM will be 6. Now what we will do, we will divide this 6 by this 3. Okay, 6 को हम 3 से divide करेंगे और हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या आ जाएगा 2, and 2 8s are 16. After that we will divide this 6 by this 6. 6 1s are 6 and 1 7s are 7, and 16 plus 7 is 23 upon 6. Now this is again an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So what we will do, we will divide this 23 by 6 to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, so 6 3s are 18. It will be 5. So your answer will be 3 5 upon 6. Okay, your answer will be 3 5 upon 6. So this way we add the mixed numbers, and if we have to subtract the mixed numbers, then what we do, we follow the same procedure, but in the end we subtract. Okay, we convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, and here it will be subtraction sign, so we will subtract instead of addition. Okay, so this way we solve, we add or subtract the mixed numbers.